What should I do if my gift card is not being accepted by Apple Wallet?
Hello there, folks. In today's video, we will be tackling an issue that some of you might have experienced. What to do if your gift card is not being accepted by Apple Wallet. Don't worry, there are several steps you can take to address this issue, and we'll walk through each one.
Are you using a supported gift card?
Before you start troubleshooting, you need to ensure that the gift card you're trying to add to Apple Wallet is actually supported. Apple Wallet doesn't support all gift cards. Only certain brands or types can be added. Check the card's eligibility. This information can often be found on the issuer's website or the packaging of the gift card itself. If your card is not supported, you won't be able to add it to Apple Wallet.
Is your Apple Wallet updated?
Sometimes, the issue could be with your Apple Wallet not being up to date. Make sure that your device's operating system and the Wallet app are both up to date. To do this, go to Settings, General, Software Update on your iPhone. If there's an update available, download and install it.
Are you following the correct process to add the card?
If your card is supported and your Apple Wallet is updated, then the issue might lie in the process you're following to add the card. To add a gift card to Apple Wallet, you should open the Wallet app, tap the plus symbol, and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to enter the card details accurately.
Contacting customer support.
If you've tried all of the above and your gift card is still not being accepted, it might be time to reach out to customer support. You can contact Apple support directly through their website or via phone. Provide them with the necessary details about the gift card and the issues you're facing. They should be able to guide you further. We hope this video has been helpful in addressing the issue of a gift card not being accepted by Apple Wallet. Remember, the most important steps are to check if your gift card is supported, ensure your Apple Wallet is updated, follow the correct process to add the card, and when in doubt, contact customer support. Stay tuned for more tech troubleshooting tips and tricks.